Today, I'm going to show you how to add super high-res iOS Apple emojis directly in Premiere Pro using the Blinkle Emoji Picker. It's honestly so simple, and once you've got it set up, you can drop emojis into your video with literally one click. Because, let's be real, we've all downloaded emojis from the web before, imported them into Premiere, and bam! They look all pixelated and low quality. You just wasted like 5 minutes for nothing, right? First things first, you'll need Blinkle.io, the command bar extension that gives you access to the Emoji Picker. If you haven't installed it yet, I'll drop the link in the description for you. Once it's installed, open Blinkle with Command K or whatever custom hotkey you've set. Type emoji. Select Import Emoji. You're now inside the emoji library. From here, you can scroll through thousands of HD emojis. You can even filter by category and by platform. Apple, Google, Samsung, and more. You can also directly search for the emoji you want using the search bar. Once you find the emoji you want, just click it to drop it straight onto your timeline. From there, you can resize it, move it around, and even animate it like any other layer in Premiere Pro. Want to reuse your favorite emojis later? Just head back to the Emoji Picker library. Your recently used emojis are right at the top. Super handy. And that's it. In just a few clicks, your video is packed with fun, high-quality emojis. Install Blinkle for free, open the Emoji Picker, and your workflow instantly becomes way more expressive. Subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips and tutorials.